So we made it to Rick's Paint and Body to pick up some parts that we dropped off, being paint matched.
Oh, it's killer.
So Devin's Denali grill for his SLT,
yeah,
got painted right here. So kept the chrome, the honeycomb silver, or I should say honeycomb chrome silver. Not silver, chrome.
Honeycomb is chrome.
Honeycomb chrome is chrome. Dang, that is hard to say. But got the outer painted silver, so that'll look good. And then flares finally got paint matched, finally. And then these Alpharex headlights,
they're gonna be built,
that Alex previous had, paint matched. So everything is gonna be paint matched.
Yep, everything.
So Devin's truck, you might not be able to tell that it's an SLT anymore. So
I can't think you would be able to.
yeah, we might be able to get away with it. The Denali grill, and well, there's the bumper that's still chrome. So once we get an aftermarket bumper,
I mean, yeah,
and get it painted,
yeah,
then it may look like. But then again, you're gonna do a whole new interior anyway, so it'll be better than a Denali, honestly.
Yeah, true.
So, because Denali comes with black leather or whatever, that's just kind of generic.
Yeah.
But this is gonna be better than an actual VIN Denali.
Clean those up when they get back.
Yep. So these are the tow mirrors. These aren't factory tow mirrors, by the way. These are like some aftermarket ones you bought.
Yeah, because the truck didn't come with them.
And because yours came with like 1500.
Yeah, mine came with 1500 style.
Could have been a fast truck, but you used it for towing. So
yeah, it could have been.
So it comes with floodlight down here, which is really unique because no factory light comes with the floodlights down there.
Yeah. What, it's called a puddle light.
Puddle light. So yeah, I mean, we're at Rick's Paint and Body. They did all of Stan's paint work for his SEMA truck. They did a couple of stuff for my AT4 and the Denali. So they've done a lot of painting for us. Actually, they painted my LLY bumper too.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, Rick's Paint and Body has done a lot of work for us. It's going to be their second official SEMA truck that they participated for us.
Yeah.
Everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So
Did you make sure your twins are buckled up?
Yeah, they're buckled.
I know mine is. That one, the girl one's not buckled up. I buckle mine up over there.
Some scratch for paint, man.
No, it's on the glass side. Alright, got the grill installed. Looks pretty good.
Hell yeah, it does.
We'll have to do like a little before and after picture right here.
Yep.
But it matches pretty good. Very, very close. Oh, the headlight. Color match headlights and the bumper. Everything's gonna look good.
Oh yeah.
We'll go ahead and put the flares. I need to get the, you have the panel poppers? I'll go ahead and insert the fenders. The fender flares.
Right here go on the front, and these right here went on the rear for where they're still at. And it was double-sided tape.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's why they're still in there. Well, one of them popped out, but they went right here. Why? I have no idea.
But this still needs to come out.
Yeah. I don't know why some of them came out and some of them didn't. I mean, I'd rather not even have them. It just got all the holes.
Yeah. That's your old one. You got a new one, didn't you? You got new flares?
No, all of them. The front, or
Well,
the two. I got two new front flares.
Yeah.
The rear were new. So, like I'm missing some. As it should have came with all of them, but see the little square piece right here?
Mm-hmm. Square piece was probably for that.
Yeah.
Oh, because the corners don't have the...
Yeah, they don't have the pop ends.
Okay.
I guess that's
I'll film the other side because there's writing on it. All right, so paint matched tow mirrors, paint matched flares, and paint matched grill. All installed on the truck. Looks really good. It's all starting to come together. Oh yeah, I mean, it's paint matched to perfection. It looks really good. The guys over at Rick's Paint and Body did an amazing job painting these, and they told me it was a lot of sanding, primer, and sanding, because these mirrors and the flares, you guys know it's textured plastic, so you guys smooth that out or use a lot of high build primer to build it up, sand it smooth, and then paint over it. So it's a lot of prep work. And also the grill as well, it's chrome. Most places will not paint chrome, and Rick's Paint and Body also didn't want to paint the chrome just because they want to make sure it lasts. And they just knew with chrome, a rock hits it or something, it is going to chip easier than other type of surface like plastic or whatever. Devin convinced them to let him do the painting, and we kind of agreed that we know if it is going to chip, and we're not going to, or he's not going to,
you know, baby, it is what it is.
Complain and come after him. But I guess this is like the good time. Oh, you want me to unlock the door for you?
Yeah.
So some of you guys may know, we talked about it. This truck is going to SEMA, and some people thought we were joking, but it is actually a SEMA truck. We are building it for SEMA, and we are using, or I keep saying we, but Devin, and I say we because I am kind of helping him with this build, but mainly it's Devin using Elevator Motorsports.
Shout out to my boy Anthony.
Anthony Mora at Elevator Motorsports is your build manager.
Showing up.
So that is who he's using to be able to go to SEMA. So we are gonna do another video where we kind of talk about how you can get into SEMA and what it takes to have a build manager, because a lot of people are kind of confused about like, what's a build manager? How do you take your truck to SEMA? I thought it was a truck show, blah, blah, blah. So we'll do another video where we kind of explain everything. So leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding SEMA, so that way the next video we can kind of answer it. I think it'd be nice to have Devin kind of answer some of the questions too, because it was one of those things that Devin was wondering how he could take it to SEMA as well. And now he knows the process of it.
Yep, I sure do.
This truck, we were actually headed over to Orange Beach Invasion this weekend. So it was kind of crucial that we got everything back together. Flares, mirrors, the headlight piece that we showed you guys earlier is not going to make it, unfortunately, for the show. But I think she's ready for truck invasion, or the Orange Beach Invasion. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What was wrong?
It's just like, it only stays up for a minute. And it falls. And for some reason I can't get my other. Oh, that's a problem for another day.
For another day. Well, it's a SEMA truck, so it's not supposed to be functional.
Well, and I can't get my other amp set to go up.
That one?
Yeah, look, it's still down. It's like the door's still open or something. Hold on, let me crank it up.
Well, let's hope it starts.
It started the other day.
Well, duh.
Do you feel like you're driving a SEMA truck?
Yeah.
Finally can lock the doors. Okay, that one time I didn't do my damn.
What'd you forget this time?
The what? Will stay on.
Your what?
You don't, like, I unplugged it because I didn't know why the damn step was not coming up. And so now since I unplugged it, again I got a T. So now it, you gotta load your gauges. So then when you turn your truck off, this will shut off with the truck.
Okay.
Alright. Turn it off, it should go off.
Sounds good.
Yep, see, go.
Maybe you do know a thing or two.
Yeah, some people say I do.
Well, this truck is now officially ready for Orange Beach invasion.
It's officially ready. I'm ready. It's been a long month and a half.
Well, it'll be the first truck show
Yep.
for this truck.
Oh, I need to probably get a sticker. I'll probably just match these for right now, but I want to get a sticker right here.
CST?
Oh yeah. Well, I got no stickers. I'm gonna put them on my back glass.
Is it
Alright.
CNC?
No.
CNC?
CST. But I want to get one of elevated motors.
Oh,
I'm thinking about taking this one off and put elevated motors there.
yeah, you can
I'm
probably
not
do that.
Sponsored by Hostile, so
Yeah, not for SEMA. Well, I would say take all those off and redo it for SEMA.
Is this sticker
Yeah, I
a
am.
little
Yeah.
crooked?
yeah.
No?
It
Maybe
looks
just a
like
little bit.
Slight.
It's on purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything on this truck is done on purpose.
No, all my stickers are gonna go on my back glass.
Yeah, you gotta
So you're taking all
you
the
gotta
ones
take
off
your
the
Dirty
side?
Max sticker off.
No, man, my dad's gonna be mad. He got me that for Christmas.
Well, now people might not know that you got a Dirty Max, unfortunately.
Get into the damn truck.
At least for this show. Well, I mean, I'm gonna have TSO overlays.
Oh, the airbags look.
Way better, huh? Yeah, that little mount, and they ain't got no air in them, because I don't have the compressor hooked to them. So
And hopefully you can get some new taillights for it before SEMA.
Are you getting like new exhaust
And third
pipes
brake.
too to make them like look shinier?
no,
Or
you
you just
can't do
gonna-
that unless you get a stainless steel.
So you're just keeping those?
Yep. But I'm gonna axle dump it.
Oh, this looks good. All right, let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to be at Orange Beach Invasion. We'll see you guys there. I am taking my AT4 with all the faded powder coating. I don't have time to repowder coat everything, and I'm probably going to do a bigger lift, so I'm not going to waste any time. You know.
You got to do something to
Yeah.
do, one step me.
Well, I think it sits taller than this as of right now.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell.
It is. We really need to sit them up side by side.
So if his truck is taller, I'm definitely going with a bigger lift in the next couple months. So I'll see you guys there.
Little PP.